Hello there friends, it's Ashley here from the Loopy Lamb and theloopylamb.com, and thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Today I'm going to be taking a look at Crochet Secrets from the Knotty Boss by Anna Leyzina. I'll be sharing my review of this pocket-sized reference guide of crochet tips, tricks, and techniques that promises to up your crochet game. I'll cover what's included in the book, terminology used, and more to help you determine if this might be a book that you want to add to your crochet library. And thanks to the publisher, I'm giving away a copy of this book to one lucky winner. So keep watching to learn more about the book and how you can enter to win a copy of this book for yourself. So before we get into the book, I always like to share a little bit about the person behind the book, and that is Anna Leyzina in this case. And she is an incredibly talented graphic designer, crochet designer, and influencer known as the Knotty Boss. Anna has a huge number of social media followers because she is well known in the community for her stunning visuals, her printable templates for market sellers, and her Tip Tuesdays, where she shares lots of crochet tips, some of which you'll find in this book. So what's covered in Crochet Secrets? This book is a collection of not so traditional crochet hacks and is broken down into 10 different chapters, with step-by-step instructions for executing each tip in the book. These tips and tricks range from beginner-friendly to more advanced techniques, and the book chapters and sections are here. We've got the essentials, tying the knots, cracking the foundation, perfecting the rows, refining the rounds, working with color, secrets of amigurumi, effortless assembly, embellishing the edges, and flawless finish. In the beginning chapters, you'll find tips for basic skills like the magic ring, crocheting the perfect circle, and different stitches like foundation stitches, standing stitches, eliminating invisible slip knots, working into the back bumps, and more. You'll also find tips for seamless color changes, seaming granny squares, how to create straight edges in your work, and invisible seams. In the later chapters, is where you're going to find amigurumi techniques like the invisible join, invisible increase and decrease methods, making perfect stripes, stuffing toys, and more. And the final chapters cover an easy blocking technique, which is steaming, finishing off your projects, weaving in ends, and how to embellish your projects with things like fringe. I found the tips to be easy to understand and easy to execute. There are clear step-by-step images that accompany the instructions. Now, the book uses the US terminology, and on page 154 is a really unique page, and that's where you're going to find the UK conversion chart. So if you're used to using UK terms, you can find a US to UK conversion chart here on page 154. I really like page 154 because it's got all these little handy reference charts that are really, handy. We've got how much yarn do you need for your project. So there's some rough estimates on how much yarn you might need, finding the right hook size conversion charts, and a list of abbreviations. And I love that they added two different rulers. We've got a centimeter ruler and an inch ruler here on the edges of the page, just as an added value for makers purchasing the book. Overall, this is a handy reference guide of crochet skills that can help troubleshoot or fix some common issues that crocheters face. I'd recommend this book to crocheters who are looking for a handy-sized reference book of easy-to-follow tips that can help to take your finishing to the next level. And as I mentioned, the publisher has given me a copy of this book to give away to one lucky winner. So to enter the giveaway, head on over to the written version of this review, which I have linked in the description box below for you. And on that page, you'll find the full giveaway rules and details, as well as the entry form. Now, I hope that you found this helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and please consider subscribing to this channel. And if you have any experience working with Crochet Secrets, or you'd love to share your favorite crochet secret that you've found in the book, please share it in the comment section below and share it with our community. We'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions about this book, again, leave it in the comment section and I'll try to help you in any way that I can. And if you like free crochet patterns, head on over to my blog, theloopylamb.com, where I've got over 200 free crochet patterns, many of which have step-by-step video tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.